Hey YouTube, Nate here, and today we're gonna do another Roblox video since you guys loved the other one so much. Now today we're gonna do a Kaiju Paradise challenge, and pretty much I can only use the sledgehammer. Once I die or get transferred, then I will end the challenge, pretty much. That's it. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, enjoy this upload. Alright, so first, Alright, so we're doing the sledgehammer, the only sledgehammer challenge, right? We're gonna go to the gas room, try to get a sledgehammer. But first, actually, let's open up the crate. Let's open up my crate that I can get. Let's see what I get. Bruh, absolutely trash. Alright, let's go get the sledgehammer now. Oh, gotta avoid those guys. Alright. Hazmat suit. I will count the hazmat suit in this challenge, but I won't grab any medkits or anything. Yeah. Oh, there's one. And nice. Alright. So we can't pick up any more weapons after this. So I'm just gonna go try to get as many kills as I can. And when I die, the challenge is virtually over. Sorry, pup, but you gotta die. No, come back! Oh my, you know, I'm not even gonna chase that guy, bro. Come here. Come here. Oh, you thought. Oh. Oh, come here. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna try to bait him. For this guy to grab him. Don't steal my kill. Let's go! I gotta do a little dance, bro. A little jig. Boop. Come here. Oh no! How did you grab me? I gotta still go. Oh! Uh-oh. Bro, what are these hitboxes in this game? How did that guy just get grabbed? Alright, come here. Don't camp. Okay. Oh, too easy. Oh, I gotta do a little jig. Totally didn't steal that kill. We're gonna go find our next victim. Oh, you. Don't run. Oh, come here. Come here, boy. Oh. So. Oh, come here. Oh, yeah. Got you now. Oh, yeah, he's dead. Oh, he's gone. Gotta do a little jig on him. Oh my god, bro, this guy is getting beat up. Wait, hold up. How is a dummy in a regular server? What the fuck? Come here. Oh my god, that was just... Oh, that's brutal. Oh, man. Come here. Oh, bro, how are you not dead? Bro is on a sliver of HP. Oh. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Ah, bro, that guy just stole my kill. Oh, come here, boy. Oh, man. Oh, I'm gonna put you to sleep forever, bro. Oh, my hammer broke. Alright, here's a new one. That guy actually pretty lucky with the spawn. Oh, alright. Alright, let's go. Our next victim. Oh, wait, it's this one again. Oh, that's on him. Oh. 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 Oh, what? Replay that. Ain't no way. Come here, boy. Oh, bro, that guy. Feel bad for that guy who just died. What? Ain't no way. Get back here. Oh! Alright, he's so low. This time I'm actually gonna kill him. Oh, what? What is that HP, bro? You're so lucky. Oh, I could have actually hit him there. Yes! A little jigger. Oh, yeah. Some of you guys might say it's really toxic to dance on people, but I just think it's funny. Oh, come here. Alright. I'm gonna be the person who steals the kills now. I am the captain now. Oh, got you. Oh. Ain't no way. Oh, that actually hit him. Oh, too easy. Do a little jig. Oh, alright, let's go. Oh, what? Or you're stunned. Oh no, there's like 3 people. Alright, I'm gonna peace out. Break my hammer. Alright, now I gotta find another one. And this guy's chasing me too. Oh no, there's no one in there. Oh, he knows I have no weapons. But he's trash. I just wanna get the key. I just wanna get the key. Why you always chasing me? Why you always chasing me? I just wanna get the key. Alright, there gotta be a sledgehammer right here, right? Yeah, let's go. Alright, I got another one. Oh, come here! Oh, you're gonna die. Oh. Oh my god, they're all spawning in. Alright, let's go. Oh, too easy. Do a little jig. Oh. Alright, gonna walk backwards. They never see it coming, bro. Little backwards jig. Too easy. And we got a 5-kill streak. Let's go. Alright, so my goal for this video, I probably didn't say this as a start, but my goal for this video is to hit 50 kills. If we have 50 kills, that's a mission accomplished. I'm not gonna go to 100. If you guys really like this video that much, I might go to 100, but that video would be way too long. So, come here, boy. Oh. Oh, you little. Why you always chasing me? Why you always chasing me? I just want to get the key. Oh no! Oh, come here. I'm gonna kill you and your child. Oh, okay. Let's go. Oh, well, there goes your child. No more paying CPS. Come here, boy. I'm killing your child. Gonna do a little jig on him. Of course. Bro, this guy's never gonna stop running. Oh, do a little jig on him. Oh. Come here. Come here, boy. Wow. Come here. Oh, bro. Wow. No sympathy. Alright, my hammer's about to break, but I'm gonna go try to kill somebody. There's no hammer spawn up here either. Oh, come here, boy. Come here. Oh, you will. Oh! Let me in! Alright. 6 kills. Not too bad. We are doing pretty good in the challenge so far. Yes, I hammer. Alright. Oh no, I got the medkit! I gotta go through this out. Alright, there we go. Why are you chasing me? Why are you chasing me? Come here! Don't run away! Camper. Oh no! Get away from me! Alright, come here. Aw, too easy. Too predictable. Oh, wait, did that do no damage? I swear I hit him. Oh, too easy. Do a little jig. Oh, yeah, too good. Oh. Oh, oh. Wait, how did that end? No! Oh! No! Oh. Oh. Let me in! Alright, too easy. Too easy, too easy. I got no soup. This is all I got. This is all I got. Oh, I'll kill him. Oh, too easy. Wow, they all have bats, don't they? Oh, come here. No, you give me a bet. Oh, you're gonna ruin my challenge. You're gonna ruin my challenge. Come here. I'm just gonna throw this out. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, wait, all the snow's gone. Aw. R.I.P. That's all I got. That's all I got. Oh! Alright, come here. Too easy. Oh! Oh! Oh, man. Oh, that was nasty. That was an absolute nasty play. Oh, he's running into the secret room. Oh. Oh, come here. Oh! How did that aim? Oh, no! He's 1 HP. Oh! Oh, too easy! Oh, yeah. Oh, he's gonna die. A little jig on him. Alright, let's go. You won't get away this time, boy. Are you trying to protect him? Oh, yeah. Come here. Oh, bacon won't save you now, boy. Oh! Oh! No! Oh no. Oh no, bucket guy's back. Oh, Josh is here. Oh, did you just kill himself? Oh. Bro, there's no hammer. There's no hammer. Is there a hammer up here? Oh, there's no hammer. La 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 la. Shut up. Oh, Bucky guy. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. We have an alliance. We have an alliance. We have an alliance. Alright, thank you. Please tell me somebody picked up the pipe and it spawned a hammer. Yes! Oh, Basher. Alright, I got my slammer. Let's go. Slammer hammer. Alright, let's go. Just beat him up. Beat him up! Alright, let's go. Yeah, get him, Josh. Oh! Oh my god, he just got murdered. Do a little jig! That hurt me. Alright, we're at 9. We're doing pretty good so far. Oh, there's Ethan. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, Bucky guy! Oh my god, I just... Oh. Oh, man. Oh, man, I feel bad. Oh, that was disgusting. Oh, come here. My next victim. Oh, that not hit him. Oh! No! Oh, that actually did him. Come here, boy. Oh, he's so low. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna go for the kit. Come here, boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, double digits. It's too easy. No! Come back here. Right. Oh! There goes Ethan. Oh, there goes Josh. Losers. No! Oh no! I was slash J, Your Honor. Stop hitting me! Alright, well, that's pretty much it. That's it for the challenge. I got to 10 kills. I bet all of you guys could do better. Oh my god, get on my face! Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Yes.